I'm not sure if it was Jonathan or if it was Dallin who his wife got hurt, but one of them might join after a while. We'll see. Mm. Oh, was it Jeffrey and Dallin? Okay, so yeah, it was probably Jeff. It was either Jeffrey or Dallin that. Okay. So, what did you get for number one? I did too. Um, Either Jeffrey or Dallin said that they got D. Okay, yeah, that's what I put too. I put A. I got A also, and he got A also. For three, I got D as in dog. Okay, good. For four, I also got D as in dog. Five, I got A as in animal or apple. Okay, so I put A because the food and beverages are only 15% of the CPI. So I did 15 divided by 10, and that gave me 1.5. I just tried to figure that out. Um, there was nothing in the book that really told us how to do that, I don't think. I just kind of figured that out in my head. Okay, so A on that one. All right. And then for six, I got B as in boy. Cool. Seven, I got B as in boy. Okay. Eight, I got A as in apple. Nine, D as in dog. 10, C as in cat. I got C on 11. Okay, let's just read the question again and see. Because it says, if the quality of goods deteriorates while the price remains the same, then the value of the dollar. So the value of the dollar is definitely going to fall. We both agree on that. And then if the quality of the food is deteriorating and 223. Okay. Yeah. So we know that the value of the dollar is going to fall, but I think the cost of living is going to increase and not decrease. So C as in cat. Okay. 12. Me too. 13. I did too. But I wasn't sure about that one. I starred it. because I was confused. 225, 11, 2? Okay, cool. 14, I did not get an answer on because I was confused. See? So how did you calculate that? Oh, well, that's nice. 'Cause I worked it so many ways and got different answers, but none of them were ever any of the answers on there. Yeah. Okay. So you can explain it to me once you are a little rested. Okay. Okay. We'll come back to that a different time then. Okay, so 15, I got B as in boy. That's what you got? Okay. And then 16, I also got B as in boy. Cool. 17, I got C as in cat. 18, C as in cat. 19, D as in dog. Okay, so what I did was there's a formula on page 228, and so I plugged in the numbers to that formula. So the real interest was negative 2.5, so I plugged that in, equals 4 is the nominal interest rate, and then it's minus the inflation, so x, minus x. And so then you just carry over negative 2.5 minus 4 is negative 6.5, and then you have to divide out that negative. So x equals 6.5. D as in dog. Does that make sense? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 20 I was confused on. Could you explain that one to me? Oh, okay. So I was just confused. I wasn't sure. Wasn't sure which one was which. So when it says the dollar value of savings increased 10%, that's talking about nominal GDP or nominal interest. Yeah, I got 10% as nominal GDP. I mean nominal interest. I calculated it, but Could it have been 229? 228? That's where it talks about nominal and real interest rates. Okay, so what does it mean? What does the dollar value of savings mean? What does the purchasing power of savings mean? Do you remember that? Hmm. Are you okay? Hi. Okay. So are you sure about that answer of C? Because I just don't know what that means. I don't know what it's talking about when it's talking about the dollar value of savings, and I don't know what it's talking about when it says the purchasing power of savings. You okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm reading through this section